Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to create unique QR codes for your product in Shopify. So let's get started. Open your Shopify admin page after logging into your Shopify account. Now from the left side of the menu, click on the apps button. And after that, click on the view more apps button that is on the bottom of the page. Now search in the search bar for shop codes and download it. Search in the search bar shop codes and download it. After that, click on create shop code button. Click on create shop code button and then click on the add product button. Click on the add product button. After done with settings according to your requirements, click on the create shop code, which is in the right corner. So now the QR code of the product will be there. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.